bringing Israel to the world. This is IBN News.
With news of Israel, I'm Susan Michaels. Israel's consul to Japan, Revital Naim, and Professor Ron Nir-Paz, head of the Infectious Diseases Department at Hadassah Hospitals in Jerusalem, made a visit to the two Japanese military hospitals where 3 Israelis are being treated for coronavirus. Naim and Nir-Paz were able to speak with the Israeli patients by phone as they are in isolation and meet with the medical staff taking care of them. According to Nir-Paz, we are seeing good treatment from the Japanese, and we will, of course, closely monitor the situation. However, the daughter of 2 of the Israelis infected says that her parents were thrown into a remote military hospital with subpar treatment where doctors speak no English and there is no suitable food. More than 542 cases of the virus have been identified among the more than 3,700 passengers and crew quarantined on the cruise ship in Japanese waters. Police sappers were called to an orchard in an Israeli community near the Gaza Strip this week where an RPG warhead was discovered. No reports of casualties or damage, but the latest incident seems to signal a change in methods for delivering dangerous devices into Israel, as the Palestinian militants generally launch explosive devices into Israeli territory attached to clusters of balloons. This one appears to have been flown in attached to an oversized plastic bag. Blue and White leader Benny Gantz has vowed that if he becomes prime minister after the March 2nd elections, he will work to mend ties with the U.S. Democratic Party, saying that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has neglected bipartisan ties in favor of exclusive support from President Donald Trump's Republican Party. Both Gantz and Netanyahu have called for bipartisan support for Israel in the U.S., Gantz saying, "We don't care if the American president is a Republican or Democrat. If he is a good president for the U.S., he would be a good president for Israel as well." And Gilad Shalit, former Israeli soldier who was held captive by Hamas for 5 years, is going to be married. After 18 months together, Shalit proposed to Nitzan Shabbat on Valentine's Day. A photo, of course, was posted on Instagram on February 14th with the announcement. I'm Susan Michaels.
IBN. Israel Broadcast Network.